Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Get ready, because today we ray blasting off on an incredible journey to the outer reaches of our solar system and beyond. We're going to talk about a very special visitor, a celestial nomad that has traveled for millions, maybe even billions, of years just to pass through our cosmic neighborhood. I'm talking about interstellar comets, specifically a fascinating one named Comet 3I Atlas. Now, you might remember comets like Oumuamua or Tuai, Borisov. These were the first confirmed interstellar objects we ever detected, and they completely blew our minds. They were like messages in a bottle from other star systems, giving us a tantalizing peek into what the universe is like far, far away. The I in their names actually stands for interstellar. So, when astronomers spotted the third one, 3I Atlas, in early 2023, the excitement was off the charts. What secrets would this new traveler reveal? Initial observations were pretty standard. It was a faint dot, moving incredibly fast on a path that clearly originated from outside our solar system. Astronomers around the world trained their telescopes on it, eager to learn everything they could. They wanted to know its size, its composition, and most importantly, what made it different from the comets born right here in our own backyard, in places like the Oort cloud. But as they gathered more and more data, something truly weird started to emerge. Something that makes 3I Atlas unlike any comet we've ever seen before. This is where our story takes a mysterious turn. You see, when a typical comet gets closer to the sun, ice on its surface heats up and turns directly into gas in a process called sublimation. This creates a glowing atmosphere around the comet, called a coma, and often a beautiful long tail that streams behind it. For months, astronomers watched 3I Atlas, expecting to see this exact process. They were waiting for it to turn on and put on a show, but it never did. That's the big mystery. Latest images and data analysis from powerful observatories, including the legendary Hubble Space Telescope, have confirmed something startling. Comet 3I Atlas has no tail. And not only that, it doesn't seem to be releasing any significant amount of gas or dust at all, even as it gets closer to the sun's warmth. This is incredibly bizarre. That's like seeing a bird that doesn't fly or a fish that doesn't swim. It defies our fundamental understanding of what a comet is supposed to do. So, what could possibly be going on? The scientific community is buzzing with theories, each more fascinating than the last. Let's break down some of the leading possibilities. One of the first ideas is that maybe, just maybe, 3I Atlas isn't a fresh comet. Think about it. Comets from our own Oort cloud are pristine. They've been in a deep freeze for billions of years. When they fall towards the sun for the first time, they are packed with volatile ices like water, carbon monoxide, and carbon dioxide, all ready to vaporize. But what if 3I Atlas has made this journey before? Perhaps it originated in a star system far away and has already swung by its own star multiple times. Each pass would have baked off its most volatile, easy to vaporize ices. What we could be seeing now is the burnt-out remnant, a cosmic cinder that has very little fuel left to create a tail. It's an old, tired traveler that has lost the fiery spirit of its youth. This would be a groundbreaking discovery, suggesting that interstellar objects aren't just one-time visitors, but can be seasoned veterans of galactic travel. But there's another, even more intriguing theory. What if 3I Atlas is made of something completely different? Our comets are primarily water ice mixed with rock and dust. But we're talking about an object from another star system, a place that could have a totally different chemical makeup. Perhaps 3I Atlas is composed of materials that are much less volatile than water ice, substances that require far higher temperatures to sublime it and form a tail. Imagine a comet made not of snow, but of rock and exotic minerals that only begin to sweat when they get incredibly close to a star. If this is true, 3I, Atlas isn't just a rock, it's a geological sample from an alien world. By studying its composition, we could learn about the building blocks of planets and other solar systems, which is one of the holy grails of modern astronomy. It would be like a alien planet FedEx DS, a piece of itself for us to study. This brings us to a third, mind-bending possibility. Could it be that 3I, Atlas, isn't a comet at all? Its trajectory says it's from interstellar space, but its behavior is, well, uncomet-like. It's behaving more like an asteroid. Asteroids are mostly rock and metal and don't typically have tails. So, are we looking at the first ever interstellar asteroid we can study up close? If so, this opens up a whole new can of cosmic worms. It could be a fragment of an ancient planet from another star system that was shattered by a massive collision billions of years ago. A piece of planetary shrapnel hurled across the vast emptiness of space for eons, finally drifting through our home. Studying it would give us direct insight into the violent, chaotic processes that shape planetary systems across the galaxy. It's a cosmic crime scene investigation, and 3I, Atlas, is our key piece of evidence. The quest to solve this mystery is on. Astronomers are using every tool at their disposal. Spectrometers are trying to break down the faint light reflecting off its surface to search for chemical fingerprints. They're looking for any hint of water, carbon, or other elements that could tell us what it's made of. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its incredible infrared vision, might even be tasked to take a look, potentially revealing heat signatures or faint gas emissions that are invisible to other telescopes. Every new pixel of data is like a clue in a detective story that spans light years. The fact that 3I, Atlas, is so different is what makes it so incredibly valuable. Oumuamua was weird because of its shape, and Borisov was exciting because it was so similar to our own comets. But 3I, Atlas, is weird because of what its asterisk, not asterisk, doing. It's challenging our definitions and forcing us to think outside the box. This object is a profound reminder that the universe is far more diverse and surprising than we can imagine. We have these neat categories: planets, comets, asteroids, but the cosmos loves to blur the lines and show us things that don't fit into our tidy boxes. 31ATLAS is one of those things. It's a puzzle sent from another star, and we are the lucky ones who get to try and solve it. Whatever the final answer is, a burnt-out relic, an alien geological sample, or a fragment of a shattered world, it will undoubtedly rewrite a chapter in our astronomy textbooks. It's a thrilling time to be looking up at the sky. What do you think is going on with 3I, Atlas? Is it an old comet, a rocky alien, or something else entirely? Let me know your theories down in the comments below. I'd love to read what you think. Thanks so much for joining me on this cosmic adventure today. If you enjoyed this journey into the unknown, please hit that like button and consider subscribing to the channel for more explorations of our amazing universe. Ring that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Until next time, keep looking up.